Uh, Today is Friday, February 12th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 19 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 21 and a low of 0, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are...
Juan.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost to the Dallas Stars by a score of 4-2. And the Bulls will play the Cleveland Cavaliers tonight at 7. There are no clubs meeting today. Now a message from Mr. Smelser and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Michael. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully you're having a great day. I do want to point out that I am not sitting on a phone book. It may look like it, but nope. We might need to get a phone book. All right, we're gonna pull some Herbie high fives. Mrs. Ankrum, I'll let you go first.
All right,
Mix
here
them
we
up
go.
really good.
Thanks for that reminder. Francisco in room 201. Adam in room 210. Anthony in room 210. Chris in room 203. Landon in room 201. Let's see. Arushi in room 203. And let's do one more. Here we go. Same person.
Same one, wow.
Lucky day. Let's do Jasmine in room 210.
All right, now to the primary, first floor, first, second, third, and kindergarten. Looks like we've got Rami in 117, Lucy in 105, Josie in 116, Lucy again. Good job, Lucy. We've got Ian in 121, Riley in 116, and the last one for today looks like Ashton in room 116. Congratulations, everybody. Remember, there is no school on Monday. Everybody, have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelser and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Michael.
Here's today's interesting fact.
Let's hear it.
Did you know that over 50% of all Valentine's Day cards are purchased in the 6 days before Valentine's Day?
I did not know that.
1 billion Valentines are sent each year worldwide. Teachers receive the most Valentine's cards, followed by children, mothers, wives, and sweethearts. Children between the ages of 6 and 10 exchange more than 650 million Valentine's Day cards each year. That's all for today. This week's broadcast was brought to you by the It's Raining Monday production team. Have a fat-free, fun-filled Friday.